Hello friend, as you know, the electric vehicle market is continuously growing because of the advancement technology in the battery and the environmental concern of the fuel driven vehicle, and the because of the government policies. Because the fuel driven vehicle produces the exhaust that is harmful for the environment as well as for the human health. Overall, if you see globally, so the electric vehicle sales are continuously increasing, like the country in the China, United States, and Europe, and as well as in the India as well. We are continuously improving the battery technology and the charging infrastructure for the electric vehicle. So government gives the subsidy, tax benefit, and investing in the charging infrastructure to attract the people towards the electric vehicle. But there are a few major problems that a battery electric vehicle having is a cost of the battery. Okay, so the cost of battery is very high, and because of the cost of battery is very high, so the overall electric vehicle price is very high. And after the 5 years or 10 years, the replacement cost of the battery is also very high. And the major problem is the range. So you will get the limited range, and if you want to charge, so at that time the charging time is huge, I think. So 6 hours, it will take 8 hours, and it will take 10 hours as well. And if you go with the fast charging, okay, so the fast charging use in 30 minutes, 45 minutes, but it will reduces the life of the battery. So these are the overall major problems with the electric vehicle. So to tackle all these problems, so we have the battery swapping technology. So actually this one is a process like a battery swapping process. So here we can replace the battery, like the gas cylinder we are taking from the supplier and replacing with the another one. Okay, like the old gas cylinder we are giving and the new we are taking, like that. So we need to give the discharge battery, and we need to take the means charge battery. So this one is the swapping. Okay, swapping means you are replacing that battery with a new one. So in the battery swapping technology or in the process, so you need to remove the depleted battery or the discharge battery from the electric vehicle and replace it with the fully charged battery. So for that the government or the startup company will come and they will install the swapping station where you can directly get those batteries. Okay, and you need to replace with the depleted battery or the discharge battery. So this process can be completed in a matter of minutes. This will not take 6 hours, 8 hours for the charging the battery, because the swapping station already have the charge battery at the point. So you need to go there and take the charge battery and give the depleted battery or the discharge battery. So it will not take that much time, only in the few minutes. So you will replace the battery. So while purchasing the electric vehicle, so at that time you don't need to purchase the battery with the vehicle. Okay, so you just purchase the vehicle without battery, and you will need to register for this swapping battery, like we are registering for the getting the gas cylinder. Okay, so for that you can get the battery from the swapping station, and if that battery is discharged, you need to go there and swap that battery. And also you can take the one battery for the backup. Okay, and replace that battery. So in this way you can change the battery. So of course for that the standardized process and a standardized battery is required. So government is planning to implement the standard for the battery for the two-wheeler, four-wheeler. So for two-wheeler the battery size is very small, for the four-wheeler the battery size is a big one. So based on this two-wheeler, four-wheeler and heavy duty, it required the standardization, and the government and the relative companies of the batteries are working on this technology actually. So currently if you see the battery swapping technology in some areas or in some countries, it is started but not completely developed. Once the battery swapping technology is implemented, so it will be very easy for the electric vehicle to go for a long run and without any anxiety. And here we no need to wait for the fully charged battery, or no need to wait for like 8 hours, 6 hours, and we no need to worry about the replacement of the battery and cost. So if you are taking the electric vehicle without battery, so in that case so you will get the electric vehicle in affordable price. So government is continuously encouraging the people to go with the electric vehicle, and government also planning for the swapping station and on the charging station as well. So currently government and the relative company in the battery sector, they are working on the charging station, swapping station. To swap the battery for the two-wheeler and the for the four-wheeler, it is completely different. Okay, so the size of the battery for the two-wheeler and the four-wheeler is a different. So small size for the two-wheeler and for the four-wheeler it is a big size battery. So for that, so for a two-wheeler we can replace the battery manually, but for four-wheeler actually we need the robotics and some mechanism to fit that battery. So battery swapping technology or the process is to support the electric vehicle program. It is an overall solution to the electric vehicle, like anxiety of range and the charging time or the battery cost. So it will be the solution to all these problems. Okay, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.